are not soccer players.
We're not basketball players.
We're not astronauts.
I'm definitely not a mailman.
Me, not a hairstylist.
That's true. Definitely not an animal.
Not a shoe salesman.
Not happy to be here.
Happy to be here.
Maybe.
Not electricians.
We're definitely not YouTubers, that's for sure.
But we are plumbers.
So please, like, comment,
and subscribe.
Hey, Brett.
So,
What's going on, man?
how we doing?
Doing good. We gotta make a video.
Video about what?
Video about unlicensed plumbers versus a licensed plumber.
Okay,
So, you're a licensed plumber.
I am. Why do you think we need to put a video together?
Didn't we just recently have a situation with a customer? They hired an unlicensed plumber?
So we had a recent situation on 188th Street in Queens. Homeowner had hired a non-licensed plumber to repair their sewer on the property, and they were digging by hand. They got about 10 feet deep, and it was too deep for them to work. They ended up having to hire us to complete the job. But yeah, I mean, that would be a good idea for a video to explain to people why
Exactly.
not.
So we got to put it out. Points about why you should hire a licensed plumber, what the difference is, how you're protected. Obviously, this person just wasted a ton of money.
They probably also worked, not probably, they worked illegally without a permit,
Yeah.
DEP. They worked illegally without taking any kind of bond or insurance for DOT.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure they had no insurance to work on the property in addition to all that. Yeah, probably a little bit of a risky move. And I guess the question is to the homeowner, was it worth the $500 that you saved?
I mean, definitely not. I mean, so I kind of know plumbing, but if I went into someone's house and tried to sweat some copper and mess it up and flood their house, they're screwed.
You have a bit of a problem there.
But if you went into my house and made a big mistake, which you never would, but if you made a
Not me.
mistake, then I'd be covered because you have insurance.
Yeah, fortunately for the property owner, and this is the point of hiring a licensed plumber, well established. Us specifically, you can check, we've been in business for 104 years, but others even less. If they've been in business for 5 years, there's at least some credibility there. And you're protected in the event of something like this happening.
So besides insurance, there's also the comfort of knowing there's a whole training. And I mean, how many hours do you have to get? What does it take to become a licensed plumber?
It takes a lot, especially these days.
So it's a big difference. Someone who kind of knows plumbing compared to someone who spent the thousands of hours of training to become a licensed plumber and passed all the state or the city exams.
Yes, correct, and agree.
Okay. So that's a good video.
I think we should note a little bit, a few bullet points, and let it rip.
Okay.
Guys, I just shot the whole time. We just shot the video.
The video's done?
Was I not supposed to shoot?
You were shooting the video now? We're just brainstorming here.
I mean, do you want to reshoot the whole video?
So I think we got it.
We're gonna use that video?
Why not?